Here we got the Braun compact work light, and it's also a battery bank. So you can hook your cell phone to this and charge your cell phone. That's the reason I got this. Not only is it rechargeable, but you can use it in an emergency and for your cell phone. Now, Craftsman used to make one of these. It was identical to this. I went to go get it actually, and they no longer make it. It's now only uses AAA batteries or AA batteries. So anyhow, this one has a lithium-ion battery in it, and according to this, it runs 5.5 hours. So this is going to work really well as a work light. And if you look on the back here, you will see your USB output. I guess this is where you charge your phone, and this is your little USB input for charging. And of course, it has a power thing on there. I think that when you hit the button, I guess if it's fully charged, you've got the two green lights all the way down there, which one is not lit up. So let's press it and see if it works. You got to kind of hold it down for it to cut on. There you go. Ooh, it's bright. You've got a high mode, a low mode, and this like SOS mode, which they all have nowadays. Within the package, of course, you get the unit directions. You even get a USB cable, and I'm surprised they actually give you a decent size cable. This looks probably at least 6 feet. Most of the time they give you those little bitty ones, that's just a few inches. So this is pretty heavy duty. It's very heavy plastic. It's rubberized right here, and it also has a tripod mount, so that if you have a tripod, you can screw it onto that. On the back here, you've got your indicators, like I said, when they're all lit up. The two green means it's 100% charged. Nice little O-ring here. So this seems like it's made really good. The directions even show you how to remove the battery, which is nice. So that means the battery is, I guess, replaceable. It also has detents in this. That's real nice. So depending on how you put it. So for example, if I want to illuminate my interior or underneath, you press the thing on. Let's see here. And you can hang this anywhere. This is really nice. Of course, you can set it down where you need to, but if you were to hang it up here, it would illuminate the entire engine bay. Now, the only thing that I would have done a little differently is it would be nice if it had some type of magnetism to it. So I think what I'm going to do is take a few of these rare earth magnets here. Hold on, let me turn this off. And possibly glue them for rare earth magnets so you can just pop it somewhere. Of course, like I said, it can be used as a battery charger for your cell phone. And this is what it looks like when it's charging. That last light will quit flashing and they'll all be illuminated, the last two being green. And there is your specifications. Battery capacity looks like it is 4,400 milliamp hours. So this might get you one charge on one cell phone. And I wanted to test it charging a cell phone, and since I don't have a cell phone to charge because I'm using it to record this video, this little rechargeable flashlight, as you can see, it's red in there, means it's charging. Okay, and while you're charging, it gives you the status of the battery in here, which is really nice. So multifunctional tool. Again, that's pretty heavy duty. So overall, I think this is a very good price. There's a coupon out there, I think, for like 25 bucks. It's a great little emergency light to put in your vehicle, in your Jeep, in your recovery kit, or what have you. So hopefully this helps you make an informed buying decision. Y'all have a great evening.